Happy Bulls. Okay. So, the beginning of the year, I got one of these papers. So let's go over it. First one, sport. Cheer basketball, 2 square. Nickname, Cheesy. Last name, Mattis. Age, 9. Food, macaroni and cheese. You like? It's silent. You hate? All boys. Family name, Sophia, 6th of July, Glory. Kelsey, Mom, Orlando. Tito, Desi, me. Pets, Fancy, Dusty, Luna, Rusty, Nina, Chester. Date of birth, March 9. I put 2015. I'm dumb. I just changed it right now. Phone number, 906-3010. That's nothing, so you'll find out later. Phone number, colors purple, blue, and pink. All this stuff is gonna change on this piece. Okay. So, throw that paper away. There. And let's get working on this one. Okay. So, name. Oh, sorry. Okay. So, and date. So, about the date. I don't even know what today is. Sport. My favorite sport is cheer. I don't like basketball 2 square anymore. Actually, I do like 2 square. I don't really play it, but I'm gonna write it anyways. 2 square. Nickname. Cheesy still. Probably never gonna change. Sometimes Cheeser. Oh, I didn't spell that right. Sometimes Ding Dong. I like that one, Ding Dong. Last name. Probably never gonna change. Although my parents was gonna name me Divine, Faith Divine, but instead it's Jelly. Age, I'm actually 10. I know I'm young. Food, all food, but cool. Stuff. I hate squishy stuff. Squishy stuff. You like? Silent. Find out below. You hate? School people. People at my school probably don't know. Family, never gonna change. Me. My mom. Orlando was like my stepdad. Sixth. Sophia. I spelled her name like that short. Glory. Actually, this changed a little because we're living with him now. So I have a big family now. Tito and so on, but I can't fit them all. Those are just some. Birthday. When is my birthday? Does anyone know? Oh, pets. We've missed pets. Pets. I love pets. It's changed now. What's the paper that we threw away? Remember how I had pets? Look at pets. I had Fancy, Dusty, Luna, Rusty, Nina, and Chester. Guess how much I have now? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Mine. He's my cat. They got him for me because, yeah. Luna was a special cat. She actually peed in the toilet. I know. She died. B-Day. Never gonna change. March 9th to 6th. Phone number? Oh, this one changed. I have my own phone number now. My favorite color is purple. So that was all my questions. Questions on my life. Yep. Only babies left. What only babies? That's why I take care of them really good. I didn't know the date actually. Today's the what? 3 what? I don't know, 3 something. 16. What is today? 20. I'm just gonna make up a number. I just made up a number, that's not actually today. Thank you for watching.